Ever struggled with lumpy soups or chunky smoothies? Today, we're diving into the top 8 hand wand blenders that will change your kitchen game forever. Stick around to see which ones are worth every penny, and check the links in the description if you want to grab them yourself. On number 8 is Turelar Immersion Blender. Ever wondered why some hand blenders leave annoying chunks while others glide through anything? The Turelar Immersion Blender might just be the solution you didn't know you needed. With its powerhouse 1100-watt full copper motor, it crushes, puree, and whips like a pro, leaving soups and smoothies perfectly smooth. Compared to other top-rated hand wands, its variable speed trigger feels intuitive, letting you go from gentle emulsifying to full-throttle blending without splatters. The ergonomic grip is a lifesaver during long prep sessions, and cleanup is surprisingly effortless thanks to the scratch-free nylon blade guard. Yes, it can't crush massive ice cubes or frozen fruits endlessly, but for everyday kitchen tasks, it's reliable, safe, and built to last. If you crave smooth results, comfort, and versatility, Turelar deserves serious attention. Who's ready to upgrade their blending game? At number 7 is VONCI Handheld Stick Mixer. Did you know most stick blenders struggle with big batches or thick sauces? The VONCI Handheld Stick Mixer flips that problem on its head. With a 750-watt pure copper motor and variable speeds from 8,000 to 19,000 revolutions per minute, it powers through soups, sauces, and puree faster than many other hand wand blenders on the market. Compared to the usual contenders in the top 8 list, its lock mode lets your hands rest during heavy blending, seriously reducing fatigue. Safety is built in too. You need to press 2 buttons to start, giving peace of mind in busy kitchens. The detachable stainless steel shaft and arc-shaped blade mean minimal splashes and effortless cleaning. Sure, it's not for crushing ice or hard foods, but for everyday blending, this is smart, reliable, and durable. If you want smooth results with comfort and control, VONCI earns a solid recommendation. Who's ready to upgrade their blending game? On number 6 is Handor 6-in-1 Hand Blender. Ever wonder why some hand blenders leave chunks while others make silky smooth magic? The Handor 6-in-1 Hand Blender is a surprising game changer. With a 1000-watt motor and stainless steel blades, it tackles tough ingredients like nuts or meat effortlessly, perfect for anyone tired of slow prep. Compared to other top-rated hand wands, its 12-speed settings and turbo mode give precise control, letting you blend, whisk, chop, or froth exactly how you want. The 6-in-1 versatility, from the milk frother to the chopper bowl, feels like having a mini kitchen assistant in one compact tool. Ergonomic grip, safe motor protections, and easy clean attachments make cooking stress-free and satisfying. Sure, the main unit can't be submerged, but for everyday meals, Handor delivers speed, safety, and peace of mind. If you want smart, reliable performance and effortless versatility, Handor is worth serious consideration. Who's ready to simplify their kitchen routine? At number 5 is MEGAWISE Stick Blender. Think your blender is powerful? Think again. The MEGAWISE Stick Blender packs an 800 watts motor, 3 times stronger than most traditional hand blenders, turning tough tasks like mashing potatoes or chopping nuts into seconds. Compared to other top-rated hand wand options, its titanium-reinforced cross blades feel indestructible, perfect for baby food or creamy smoothies. With 12 adjustable speeds plus a turbo boost, it gives precise control without messy splatters. The ergonomic handle and non-slip grip make long blending sessions comfortable, while all attachments are detachable, BPA-free, and dishwasher-safe. Sure, it's a little heavier than ultralight models, but the trade-off is durability and efficiency. For anyone craving speed, reliability, and peace of mind in the kitchen, MEGAWISE delivers. Who's ready to upgrade to effortless, smooth, and worry-free blending? At number 4 is Gourmet Detachable Mixer. Ever wonder why some blenders leave tiny lumps even after multiple passes? The Gourmet Detachable Mixer tackles that problem effortlessly. Its 500-watt high-speed motor blends smoothies, soups, baby food, and sauces in seconds, making meal prep faster and more satisfying. Compared to other contenders in the top 8 hand wand blenders, its slim stainless steel shaft fits almost any bowl or pot, giving flexibility that bigger, clunkier models can't. With 2 adjustable speeds, You can whip or puree with precision, while the detachable wand makes cleanup almost effortless, dishwasher safe and hygienic. The ergonomic design ensures a steady grip and comfort during longer sessions. Sure, it's not as heavy-duty as 1000-watt models, but for everyday kitchen tasks, it's reliable, sleek, and smart. If you value convenience, precision, and effortless cleaning, the Gourmet mixer is a solid choice. Who's ready to upgrade their blending game? On number 3 is Abuler Handheld Blender. Ever feel like your blender slows you down instead of helping? The Abuler Handheld Blender might just change that. With a 1000-watt motor and turbo boost, it powers through soups, smoothies, and sauces faster than most top-rated hand wands. Compared to other contenders in the top 8 hand wand blenders, its 12-speed control plus versatile attachments, food processor, whisk, milk frother, makes it a true all-in-one kitchen hero. The ergonomic non-slip handle ensures safe, steady operation, even during long prep sessions, while snap-on detachable parts make cleaning quick and stress-free. Compact yet durable, with BPA-free plastic and stainless steel construction, it saves counter space without compromising performance. Sure, some parts require gentle hand wash, but the convenience and versatility more than compensate. For anyone seeking speed, control, and multifunctional reliability, Abuler delivers peace of mind and professional results. Ready to transform your kitchen routine? At number 2 is All-Clad Electrics. Did you know most blenders struggle with deep pots and tall containers? The All-Clad Electrics hand wand blender solves that instantly with its extra long 9 1/4 inch drive shaft, perfect for soups, sauces, and milkshakes without splashing. Compared to other top contenders in the top 8 hand wand blenders, its variable speed dial plus turbo button gives precise control, letting you blend gently or go full speed for tougher recipes. The stainless steel shaft is detachable for effortless cleaning, and the ergonomic soft grip handle makes long prep sessions comfortable and safe. Beyond functionality, its polished stainless exterior adds a touch of style to your kitchen, a small detail that makes a big impression. Sure, it's not designed for crushing ice or super hard ingredients, but for everyday cooking, it's reliable, elegant, and smart. If you want seamless blending with comfort and style, All-Clad is worth serious consideration. Who's ready to elevate their kitchen game? Now moving to the last one is Consciot Stick Emulsifier. Ever struggle with blenders that leave lumps or can't handle thick dough? The Consciot Stick Emulsifier tackles that head-on. Its 1100-watt full copper motor powers through soups, smoothies, and even bread dough, making prep effortless. Compared to other top contenders in the top 8 hand wand blenders, its dual shaft attachments and XL press speed control give unmatched precision, faster whipping, frothing, and kneading without splashes. The ergonomic grip feels natural, even during long sessions, while all detachable stainless steel parts make cleanup simple and safe. BPA-free materials give peace of mind when making hot or cold dishes. Sure, it's bulkier than ultra-compact models, but the versatility, from frothing milk in seconds to kneading pizza dough, more than justifies it. For anyone wanting a true all-in-one kitchen assistant with speed, safety, and durability, Consciot is a smart, reliable choice. Who's ready to upgrade their blending game? After testing all of them, the Consciot Stick Emulsifier stands out as the clear winner. It combines power, 1100-watt full copper motor, true versatility, blending, frothing, whipping, kneading, and intuitive speed control that outperforms many top 8 hand wand blenders. The ergonomic grip and dishwasher-friendly detachable parts make everyday use a joy, not a chore. It's safe, durable, and genuinely feels like an all-in-one kitchen assistant. If you want effortless performance and long-term reliability, this is the one worth buying. So guys, this was the video about the top 8 best hand wand blender. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.